Does it sometimes feel to you like everybody else is able to get what they are wanting and desiring, but you're not, even though you've read The Secret and you've raised your vibration and you've done all the positive self-talk that you can, and yet you still don't feel like you're connecting with your ability to manifest the things that you want in your life? If this sounds familiar, then I'd like to invite you to join me in my new online program called The 8 Power Steps of Becoming a Master Manifestor. And what makes this program different than a lot of the other manifesting programs that are out there is that the first part of the program is where you do your work. Let's find out what old beliefs you are still carrying and repeating to yourself that's getting in the way of you achieving your dreams, your goals, and your desires. I'm going to help you with that and 7 other key tools and techniques to help you become a master manifestor. You can sign up for my program on my website, meganedge.ca, under classes. Look for the Mastering Manifesting class and then just click the button that says Join Now. Or look down below and you can find the link right there. I am so excited to see you in Mastering Manifesting.